Hey guys, it's Ken from Investing Made Easy here, and today we'll be doing another episode of the journey from $1,000 to $100,000. If you'd like to follow this journey with me, be sure to like and subscribe for future videos. The aim of this series is to invest in stocks over time and build up a strong portfolio. Each week we will be investing $500 into the shares that we decide here. I will be continuing this series for hopefully many months or even years, in a hope to build up a very strong and varied portfolio, with the aim to reach $100,000 in the future and possibly more if it turns out to be successful. The way I'm going to be investing money should help us to diversify. About 30% of the total money will be invested into indices such as the S&P 500. Around 5% will be invested into cryptocurrencies, as I believe that they could still form part of a portfolio today, as they still have much room for growth. And finally, the remaining 65% will be invested into individual stocks. This should give me quite a varied portfolio, but with an emphasis towards individual, both growth and value stocks. What I'm most interested about for these videos is choosing which stocks I'm going to pick each week. When picking stocks, it is solely my opinion on what I think would be a good pick, and if you want to follow my advice, I would consider doing your own research as well to make an informed decision. Now, from all of the investing strategy videos, you may be wondering which strategy I will be using. I've decided to mix a few of the strategies together for this journey. Firstly, I'm a huge fan of the core and satellite strategy, which is why I'm going to have a core formed of an index and build up small satellites with individual companies around it. This should lead to a diversified portfolio which can last through market downturns. I will be investing both into growth stocks and value stocks, which I may want to hold on to for longer periods. Because of this, I'll be selecting at least one tech company per session to invest in, as well as another from the insurance or banking sector. The reason why I'm not only purchasing growth stocks is that this journey will take several months, if not years. This will allow us to take advantage of dividend yields in the longer term. That is not to say I won't be taking advantage of growth stocks as well. I will be constantly monitoring the portfolio and making sure that it's the most efficient it can be, selling and changing the stocks as needs progress. So, how am I choosing which stocks will be the best? Well, I've created my own stock picker to do the choosing for me. This removes the possibility of investing with emotions, as a stock picker will make my picks objective. Each week I will pick between 8 and 10 stocks to run through my stock picker and decide what to go for. My stock picker is measuring how undervalued a company may be by doing fundamental analysis on the different stocks and weighing which ones may have the best value proposition. The stock picker analyzes 10 different aspects of a company to give a final score out of 100. I will be constantly adjusting the stock picker as time progresses in order to make it more accurate, consider more variables, and be a bit easier to use. For this week's pick for the stocks, I have run 9 different companies through my stock picker. I picked the most high market cap stocks for today as I wanted to start off with something a little bit safer. As a general rule, stocks with a higher market cap tend to be more stable than those with a lower one. If we look at the scores that the stock picker has given each company, we can see that any score higher than 48 out of 100 is a stock that is worth purchasing. Anything between 10 and 48 is worth hanging on to for the moment if we already own it, but we do not currently want to purchase it if it is in this category. Finally, we have the stocks that receive less than 10 from my stock picker. These stocks should be sold immediately if they're in my portfolio, as a score this low means that the company is overvalued and may be settled in the future. Therefore, if we look at my table of stocks, I will be choosing to invest this week into Facebook, HSBC and Prudential. However, because of the outstanding score of Prudential, I'll be weighing my investment towards them. For the first episode, I'll be investing a bit more than usual, so I'll be purchasing 1 share of Facebook, 5 shares of HSBC and 5 shares of Prudential. As my crypto choice for this week, I've chosen to purchase 0.175 of Bitcoin Cash, as I believe it is at a significant discount currently. You can also follow my portfolio at the link in the video description, but that's all I have for today. If you enjoyed this video and are looking forward to this journey as much as I am, be sure to like and subscribe for future videos on this topic. If you want to find out more about investing strategies, I will link a playlist in the top right. This has been Ken from Investing Made Easy, and I'll see you